And let me tell you, I don't think there's anybody in this country that's more controlled than these rappers. If you
Right.
look at what's on those contracts, I'm talking about like, I mean, I can't go into like I'm not gonna go into full detail, but like things as crazy as even if we drop you and you get a 9 to 5, we're entitled to your wages during the
Yeah.
9 to 5. If you say anything, if you say anything we disagree with, we're entitled to your wages and we're
Right.
entitled to make all these things like that. If you want to audit us, you have to audit us, give us a 90-day warning before the audit. And then on the 90 or 2 days before the night, 2 or 1 day before the 90th day, you have to make another appeal type of thing to make the audit valid. So
Right.
it's the point where they anything you're hearing them say,
Yes.
it's controlled. It's
Yeah.
they're being told we tell you what to post, we will post for you, we'll talk for you, we'll tell you what to
Yeah.
say in the video.